Hello guys, welcome to Kamek channel. Now in front of us is a side of palm fruits oil press machine. Now let's take a look around it first. Okay, this is a palm fruit oil press machine, hydraulic type, double screw, with capacity of 1 ton per hour capacity, and it is a hydraulic type double screw, diesel engine, 18 horsepower, and we can see there's a hydraulic cylinder here. This is for the adjustment of the pressure. We can make the space bigger and smaller to adjust the pressure to control the oil yield rate. And comparing to the single screw palm oil press machine, it is more convenient to operate and with a higher oil yield rate. So if you are interested in, please contact me freely.